What it do, YouTube? You are now back with your boy Tech with Tay. Today we're going to be going over some of the things that I use to study when I am studying for different certifications, when I'm just studying to learn different things in the tech industry, IT industry, even things with coding and things of that nature. So I'm going to be taking you some of the resources that I use. Hopefully they can be helpful to you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. So yeah, the first one that I use is a pretty good site. It's called Udemy. So you can say it's a lot of different ways I hear people say it. Udemy, whatever it is. But yeah, you can get a free trial there at Udemy. They actually have like offers a lot of time where you can get some of the courses for like $10. They'll like run a special, and you can get like a lot of the courses that are like a high price. And yeah, you can get them for pretty cheap, like $10 to $15. So they also have free courses on there as well. Right now I'm actually taking a Python course on there. So it's a pretty good website to check out. Another website that I use is going to be called Pluralsight. This site is mostly paid. Sometimes they do run deals where you can get it for like half the price. And I don't believe they ever do it for free, but you can get it half the price. They have a lot of great training courses on there. You can learn a lot of different things from pretty much anything in the tech industry. So if you're doing coding, if you're doing IT, anything of that nature, you can find it on Pluralsight. Great courses, great tutors, mentors, things of that nature. They can really help you. And now let's go ahead and get into the people that I use. That's pretty much on YouTube. Of course, YouTube is always a great source to go on and find content, to learn different things. There's a lot of free courses on YouTube that you can use, no matter what you're trying to learn in the tech industry. But first and foremost, if you're taking the CompTIA certifications, I used Professor Messer for a lot of that training to get me down the path in the CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus. So that was really helpful for me. So yeah, Professor Messer is a great resource to use. All of his stuff is free as far as the courses. You can have things that you can buy as far as like course notes and exam practice tests and things of that nature. You can buy those. They aren't too much, so like $25, $40, and you can get all those things. Another guy that I use on YouTube is going to be Jeremy's IT Lab. He actually has a great CCNA course that is free. He also has a website where he teaches a lot of different things as far as networking. He's more on the networking side, so if you're looking for a networking tutor or somebody to learn networking from, Jeremy's IT Lab will be a great resource to use. Another person that I use is going to be Keith Barker. I use him to study for my CCNA exam as well. Yeah, Keith Barker uses a lot of different techniques as far as subnetting, which I didn't learn from Professor Messer. So he taught me some good things with that, how to do subnetting quickly in your head. But yeah, CCNA, if you're looking for a good trainer for CCNA as well, Keith Barker is a great resource, and definitely check him out. Neil Anderson is another guy that I use to study for the CCNA. He actually has a great CCNA lab guide. Jeremy's IT Lab has labs along with his course for the CCNA. But Neil Anderson actually has like a whole book with labs and the answer keys in them, so you can go through the whole book, study for the CCNA, and yeah, go ahead and get certified. Another guy that I use on YouTube is going to be Network Chuck. So Network Chuck has a lot of great material on there, from Python to CCNA to hacking. He has a lot of great things on there on his channel. Everything is free, but he also has a website where you can go on and you can sign up for like $12 a month, I believe it is, where he'll take you through all of his things that he does on his website. I haven't signed up myself, but yeah, he also has a website. We can check things out on there. Certify Breakfast is another great resource that I use on YouTube. I'm actually using him right now to study for the CyberWOX Plus. So it's a cybersecurity certification, and he has a free course for that one. Unfortunately, that certification is going to be expiring at the end of this year. So depending on when you're watching this video, he might have another course, but yeah, so that's going to be ending at the end of 2023. He also has a Security Plus playlist as well that you can use for free. CyberWOX is another resource that I use on YouTube. He is in the cybersecurity field. He goes through a lot of different things, pretty much how he gets the certification, what he uses to study. And yeah, I would definitely check him out if you're looking to get into cybersecurity and hacking, anything of that nature. You know, blue team, red team, white hat, black hat, gray hat, whatever you're looking to get into, I believe CyberWOX can help you for that. Another resource that I use on YouTube is going to be boy Clewis. So he is also in the cybersecurity field. He is a six-figure earner. He is pretty well versed in the cybersecurity industry. So yeah, that's another resource for cybersecurity professionals or anybody that's looking to get into the cybersecurity field. Boy Clewis will be a great resource for you. And another cybersecurity guys are going to be Mad Hat. He has a lot of great things on his channel. He takes you through pretty much how he is progressing in his career and the things that he's using to move up into the cybersecurity industry. Another great resource to use. So yeah, check him out. Another one of the websites that I use is going to be FreeCodeCamp. So this is a completely free website that has pretty much, I believe, every single, I won't say every single because I haven't actually checked all of them, but he has a lot of different coding languages. Well, not he, but the website has a lot of different coding languages that you can use on the website, which can be very helpful to you. It's completely free, and they pretty much have like a step-by-step course where it'll take you through the whole course. You got to jump around and try to go through different videos and try to learn this part. But yeah, FreeCodeCamp is a great website to use for coding. Something that I'm actually using at this moment is going to be TryHackMe. This is a cybersecurity website where you can take different courses in cybersecurity, penetration testing, SOC level 1 if you want to learn things that you'll be doing in the SOC. But yeah, it's a great cybersecurity website. They do have free courses, but some of the courses they do want you to subscribe and pay like a monthly membership fee. So yeah, TryHackMe, check it out. Great website to use indeed. So yeah, that's some of the resources that I use as far as developing my skills in the IT industry, developing my skills as far as using Python for automation and different coding languages as well. So yeah, man, if you're looking for different resources to use, I would definitely point you in those directions. And yeah, I'll leave those links in the comments below or in the description below, not the comment, but I do want you to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed. This has been another video with your boy Tech with Tay. Indeed, holla at you.